Question number 7. The function f is defined by fx equals to 2 minus 5 over x plus 3 for x greater than minus 2. State the range of fx. So we are looking for the range. So this is the domain that is given to us. X is greater than negative 2. So x cannot be 2. Like let's say if I put negative 2 here, so this will become 0. 5 over 0, it will become infinity. So if we are taking x as minus 2, so then fx becomes fx will be 2 minus 5 over 0, that is infinity. So this will give us infinity. So we are not taking this x equals to 2. It's already given that x is greater than negative 2. So to find out the range of this one, so if you see, so fx is this value. This value is always giving you something. If we take greater than 0, so when you subtract 2 minus something, so this 5 is going to give you the maximum value when you are taking the value of x as a bigger number. So whatever you take the value, this is also going to be less than 2. If you have 2 minus something, so this is going to be less than 2. So the range of fx is going to be here always less than 2, because 2 minus something we have always. Now obtain an expression for f inverse x and state the domain of f inverse x. So let's say this is equal to y, fx is y, 2 minus 5 over x minus 2, plus 2. So we are going to make the x as subject here. So I'm shifting this whole 5 minus on the left hand side, 5 over x plus 2, then this will become 2 minus y, right? So now 5 equals 2, we will have 2 minus y and x plus 2 multiplying on other side. So then we are going to expand that. So this will be 2x plus 4 minus xy minus 2y, right? So now let me just rewrite everything. This is 2x minus, we are looking for the value of x. If I combine these x values here, this will become x, and then it will be having 2 minus y, and we have here this is 4, no sorry, it's not equal. So this we took here, then plus 4 minus 2y, right? So we are making x the subject, so that means other things we are going to shift on other side. So 5 minus 4 plus 2y will be x into 2 minus y, right? So this is 1 plus 2y equals to x into 2 minus y. So from here we have x is equal to 1 plus 2y over 2 minus y. So if we are taking this inverse, f inverse x, changing this to x, so this will be 2x over 2 minus x, right? So this is our f inverse x. So as this is our f inverse x, then we are looking for now the domain. So the domain of, now we know that the domain of f inverse is the range of fx, the range of fx. So what was range of fx? We have already done range of fx in the first part is less than 2, so that means this one is less than 2, so therefore the domain of f inverse x is also less than 2. So this is our answer, right? Now part C, the function g is defined by gx equals to x plus 3 for x greater than 0. Obtain an expression for f of gx, giving your answer in this form where a, b, c, d are the integers. So we are looking for f of gx, right? So f of, what is gx? Gx is x plus 3, right? So now we have to substitute this value in f. So our fx is here 2 minus 5 over x. So let me write down here to make it clear. So fx is 2 minus 5 over x plus 2, right? So we are here now replacing x by x plus 3. So then this will become 2 minus 5 over x plus 3 then plus 2 here. So then this is 2 minus 5 over x plus 5. So that is going to become 2 into x plus 5 minus 5 over x plus 5. Okay, so now let's just expand it. This is 2x plus 10 minus 5 over x plus 5. So this is going to become 2x plus 5 over x plus 5. So this is going to be our answer, as this is equivalent to, that's what we were asked. Write it in the form of ax plus b over cx plus d. So here if you compare, we will have the values from here with the a equals to 2, b equals to 5 and c equals to 1 and d is 5. So we have written in it that form. So hence it is proved.